Most businesses fail in this role. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor, 20% of businesses fail within the first 1 year, 50% by 5 years. And depending on where you are, it can be anything between 70 and 95% within the first 10 years. Why? The question is, how can you have a business that doesn't fail? We found 10 businesses with the lowest failure rate. Idea number 1, laundromats. Did you know that laundromats have a whopping 95% success rate over 5 years? Clean cloths are basic need of all people, like food, water, home, so that they always need clean clothes. And this business offers a recession-proof, semi-passive income stream. The best part? Low overhead costs and the essential nature of the service keep customers coming back. Idea number 2, senior care services. Senior care services. With an aging population, the demand for senior care and assisted living facilities is skyrocketing. These businesses offer a combination of high returns and stability, thanks to the ever-growing need for quality elder care. Idea number 3, vending machines. Ever considered owning a vending machine? This business has a success rate of over 90%. It's incredibly low cost to start, and with the right location, your machine can generate significant passive income. From healthy snacks to tech gadgets, possibilities are endless. Idea number 4, self-storage facilities. Self-storage facilities are another rock-solid investment with a 92% success rate. In this business, people who are living in rental house or try to find new house, they want a storage where they can save their things. These businesses thrive on high demand and can be easily managed with modern technology like keyless entry systems. Plus, minimal management is required. Idea number 5, food trucks and mobile food businesses. If you love food, a food truck could be your ticket to success. With lower startup costs compared to traditional restaurants, food trucks offer flexibility and high profitability. They're projected to grow at a rate of 13.3% over the next few years. Idea number 6, healthcare and wellness services. The health and wellness sector is booming, from gyms to yoga studios and wellness retreats. People are more health conscious than ever, making this a profitable and stable business choice. The industry is expected to grow steadily at about 5% annually. Idea number 7, personal services. Personal services like beauty salons, spas, and pet grooming have a resilient market. These businesses cater to self-care needs, making them stable even during economic downturns, with a projected growth rate of 7.54%. It's a solid bet for aspiring entrepreneurs. Idea number 8, essential retail and groceries. Essential retail and grocery stores are the backbone of any community. The constant demand for essential goods ensures steady income, making this a reliable business, even during economic downturns. Idea number 9, e-learning and online education. Education never goes out of style. E-learning platforms and online tutoring services have seen massive growth, especially recently. Investing in this sector ensures a steady demand for your services, making it a smart business move. Idea number 10, and it is final, rental property business. Last but not least, rental properties. Real estate investing has a success rate of 85.3%, offering monthly cash flow, appreciation, and the potential for passive income. With the right management, it can be a powerful wealth generator. And there you have it, folks. 10 businesses that never fail and are poised for success in 2024. And beyond, remember, success in any business requires dedication, hard work, and a genuine passion for what you do. I hope this video has inspired you to explore these low-risk opportunities and take a step toward building a successful business. If you found this information valuable, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, stay motivated, stay focused, and keep chasing your dreams. Good luck, future entrepreneurs.